Sir, what's all this?
Hi, how are you?
Dr. Shing! Dr. Shing! Hey, it's me, Joseph.
Joseph! Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome back.
Thanks.
I'm sorry, I just don't have you on my list arriving.
Oh, that's because we had to change our schedule.
Yeah, we took an earlier flight. Joseph, I'm Dr. Brundage, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Oh, pleased to meet you too. Dr. Pumalo is not here. He went to Singapore. He just left yesterday. The girls have gone home. No one told me anything.
All right, well, I understand. Well, look, we're going to be here all week, and we have a lot of work to do, so we need to get in there tonight. Get things started, okay?
Yeah, of course. It is just that...
We can call Dr. Pumalo if you want. I just don't want to put you on the spot.
Oh, no, we don't have to do that.
Okay, great.
Yung dati kong kapartner si B-Boy. Meron kaming 2 kahon. Pinilit nilang buksan yung isa na walang susi. Pagkatapos yung sa pangalawa, hinihingi nila yung susi. Pag wala kang maskara at gumawa ka ng katarantaduhan,
Nanakaw ka kasi ninanakaw mo yung mga ngiti ng mga tao, ninanakaw mo yung mga tawa nila, ninanakaw mo yung kanilang mga kaluluwa.
bakit ka hindi ko maintindihan? Bakit ka uuwi? Bakit kayo babalik? Marami na tayong naaksayang pera. Paano na yung ginastos nila dito sa inyo?
Babayaran lang po namin pag nakapunta na po kami ng Basilan.
Sandali, kakausapin ko si Jumala. Ito ang kumausap sa mga ito.
Hindi ganyan. Hinahalo yan. Sige na. Wag, meron ka na dyan, oh. Wag! Ano ba? Ako ba?
Ay, mahal kita! Ay, mahal kita! Ay, ikaw lang rin minamahal ko! Ay, sa gabi at araw ay ikaw lang rin minamahal ko! Pero, dakdak ng dakdak, kaya tayo nagpiligan sa gabi para kahit paano mailayo kita sa mga kapitbahay. Dahil kung hindi, nakakaya ang dami ng niyang dilaw, nakakaya!
Ako nakakaya, impacto!
Ikaw ang impacto, halimaw!
Maligno,
Aswang!
bakulaw,
Bruha!
demonyo!
Magkukulang, manananggat, anak, pampira-kapre, anino! Kalangs... Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, Mansi. Ay, relax ka lang, Mansi. Relax ka lang, relax. Nung mawala ka hanggang 94, pinuntahan ko siya.
That's not true. This is the ride. We're both fixed up. We're right here. Nothing can change that.